Hi everyone, it's Jennifer. I was gifted these fun timers. I have two. I have one in white and I have one in black. These are called gravity timers. I do want to mention they come with a charging cord. You can charge those up. So you can put these on for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, or 60 minutes. You have a manual mode or a gravity mode. I'm going to show you the gravity mode in a second. And let me show you the back of these. They're super easy to use. If you are in manual mode, which you do with the click of a button, you can either program minutes or seconds. You can use this button in the middle to turn it on and off when the timer is going or when you want to turn off the alarm. And then you have 3 modes for loud, softer, and then vibration mode. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the top. To start the timer in gravity mode, let's say that I want 5 minutes, all that I do is I'm going to drop it and then it starts. To reset, I flip it all the way over. And then there I go. It is counting down. How fun are these? I'm loving this. So teachers, this would be great for a classroom. Parents, these would be great for when you are doing homework or when it's time for your kids to turn off the TV. So let's hear what this sounds like when this goes off. Counting down to 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. This is vibrate mode. That is loudness volume 1 and volume 2. Again, because I'm in manual mode, I'll click here and that shuts it off. These are clever, amazing. I am loving these. Definitely pick some up. I highly recommend.